driving home from Eau Claire, Wisconsin, from my niece's baby dedication. We had a lot of fun. Thankfully, my husband was smart enough to have us leave before the real snow was gonna hit. It's just starting now, but we're supposed to get like 9 inches or something like that. Previous to this, it had been like in the 50s and 60s, and all of our snow had melted, and now we're getting it back. So the weather cannot make up its mind. This is the roads. We're just driving into Rochester right now. We just made it home. The car that was just sort of to the side of us, its tires were just spinning like crazy. My mom told me she slid through 2 intersections and almost the ditch multiple times. So, but it was a fun weekend. Just slowly coming up to the intersection here. There's already reports of, sorry, I'm getting over a cold, so I've got the sniffles. Lots of reports of accidents in Rochester due to the poor roads. But it was a really nice weekend. Hi to the driver who's still driving. And then I just need to make sure that my hand's covering the mirrors so you can't see baby, or I guess it's not a baby anymore. There's a brand new car seat. You can see her little Baba, the little purple giraffe thingy there. She's currently sleeping. She slept the whole way home, which was nice. It was her nap time on the schedule with the hour ahead. She's just sleeping a little later than normal, so hopefully she goes to sleep tonight. But anyways, so we are going to drive home, unpack, and basically stay inside as the storm passes, and yeah, sort of go from there. Where I just got done with spring break, and my grandpa's visiting for a couple of weeks, and so just gonna take it easy and enjoy the time with him and not enjoy the snow, because I just like snow very much. But anyways, that's it.